A lady does ill when she delays loving, while she is young, with her color fresh and white, and a little breast firm without any sag, and a belly flat without wrinkles or fold, and her cunt is plump and the hair stands on top. With wide hips, the better for lying down, and small feet and bright laughing eyes, and her body fresh and blonde hair on her head. Then she repents when she has the skin loose, so that her ribs wrinkle and her flanks, and her eyes are redder than a bow, and her head white, and it seems to droop at the neck. And she has lost all her worth and her name, and she wants what she cannot have. But while beauty and youth are in her, whoever seeks her does not hold back at all. Does not hold back at all.